Hello everyone. This topic is, are you deciding if solar is the best source of your energy needs for your home? In the recent past, we had a couple of the energy consultants who reached us saying that they would provide a completely free solar program we based on the location of our home and the amount of sun that we get, and how new is our roof. Based on all these parameters, they would see if we are eligible for a solar program, and if we enroll into this solar program, what would it entail. We went through this process 2 times, and I'm not an expert, but just wanted to call out what were our thought process and why we decided not to go ahead with this decision. Again, solar is definitely the way to go in the future, but probably the rates or the program that we were looking at didn't provide us the best value. Okay, so let's understand what's the game here from the solar program. So currently, if you look at 2022, the COMED rates, the power rates is really high. It's around 13 cents per unit that you are consuming. So the value proposition that the solar team is coming back is that they would provide us a 12 cents, like 1 cent or 2 cents less than your current commit rate, and that's fixed for the 10, 25 to 30 years. It's a long commitment that you're taking up. So basically, how the solar company makes money is they sell this 12 cents to Comet, and let's say over next 5 months the actual Comet rates went to 10 cents, or let's say 9 cents. Here, instead of we paying 9 cents, we are basically fixed into the 12 cent per unit. So we will continue to pay that money. We'll pay the 12 cents to the solar company, whereas the solar company is getting advantage of the difference. That is, instead of 12, they have to only pay the 9 cents or 10 cents, 9 cents or 8 cents to Comet. So that's basically the spread that they work on, and that's how they are able to put a solar panel for free for us, and all the maintenance, everything that they talk about. So that's basically the game plan. If you look at the Comet rates for the last couple of years, the average has been really low, in the sense that 2022, this end of October-November season is basically when the price have been high. Solar companies wait until it's high before they come back, and that's the only time when these value propositions would look in our favor. But there are other aspects that we should be looking at. There could be federal tax credits that you can get. You should be looking at the renewable source of energy that you are looking at. There are other multitude of facets that you can still convince to be go ahead with the solar. The reason why we didn't proceed was we didn't expect that the 12 cents per unit offered by the solar program was ideal, given that the average rate of Comet was less than 10 or probably 3 or 4 cents in the last couple of years. So we should not be just looking at what is currently here from the Comet. Look at an average of 25 to 30 years. It's a long-term commitment, and in order to remove these solar, it again takes time and money from your end to remove those. Anytime you have, let's say that if you want to sell your home and the new buyers is not a proponent of solar, means again you have an uninstallation and all those costs coming in. So considering all these aspects is the reason why we didn't go ahead with the solar panel. But if you come across with a program that offers a really good rate, a really good lower fixed and cost per unit, then you should definitely be looking at that map. Hope you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to share your comments below, and bye.